I'm studying a Cert 3 in electrotechnology.
I'm studying carpentry.
Studying plumbing.
I am studying a Diploma of Visual Arts.
I'm studying a certificate for photography and digital imaging.
I am studying a Diploma of Teacher's Aid.
I'm studying film and television.
I am studying a certificate 3 in early childhood education and care.
Didn't really know what to do after high school and didn't really want to get in an office or whatever, so I thought pick up a trade.
School wasn't for me, and Swinburne offered lots of opportunities that I liked in plumbing.
I spoke to my careers teacher at my high school, and she is like, there's an option for you to go through TAFE.
I was kind of dreading it at first because it was like, more school. But I'm loving it here.
My first day, I was so nervous. But when I got here, the teacher's just like, these are all the tools. These are the lunch breaks. This is what room we'll be in. It was like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders.
TAFE is a very safe to fail environment, meaning that we can simulate real world problems so that when you come across that in industry, you know how to safely approach and deal with that situation.
You actually study the one subject, it kind of helps lock into actually being motivated to come.
You feel like you have a lot more control because this is something you've chosen to do.
You're keen to be here because it develops your career in something that you're obviously interested in.
When you're at school, you got someone on your back, but here you get treated more as an adult.
Schools are more schedule strict and a lot of timetable.
TAFE is a bit more relaxed. There's not as much emphasis on exams and studying.
You're building stuff, you're cutting stuff, you're hammering stuff. So it's fun learning because you're active.
Whatever trade you want to do, they've got the opportunities for you to actually do it and learn it properly.
There are a lot of courses at TAFE. There's engineering things, there's finance things, there's all sorts. So you can try it out first, and if you want to go further and go to university afterwards, it's always an option.
Definitely go straight into it out of high school because you still got the habits from school about getting your work in on time, and then you also start a career on the side, which not many people can do straight out of high school.
The teachers are very down to earth and happy to have a chat with you and wanting to get a conversation out of you to know how you're doing.
I love teaching at TAFE because I get to know my students and go on the journey of learning with them.
When you come to TAFE, there's plenty of support available. So we've got things like their learning and academic skills advisors, there are nurses available if you need to see a nurse, there's student success coaches, counselling, a whole range of services that can support you while you're here.
I've had access to the student success coach. Having that one-on-one support really helped.
The best thing about TAFE is...
The best thing about it for me would be the freedom.
You don't have to go all day, every day.
They have industry standard stuff that you would literally never get the opportunity to have access to in the real world.
The best thing about TAFE is being able to sleep in on a Tuesday morning. That's what I reckon it is.
There's opportunities to do a lot of really cool internships and a lot of opportunities to network.
There's lots of events happening on campus as well.
And there's always something for someone.
I'm just excited to be able to say, wow, I did that.
If someone was thinking about going to TAFE, I would say go for it.
Go for it.
Definitely give it a go.
Go for it, have a crack.
Definitely do it.
You've got nothing to lose.
It's a win-win.